Most brands still build, then pray for demand. Artificial intelligence first brands create demand before they ever build. I'm Schaefer from Whiskey River Media. We help founders use systems and AI to build scalable, exit-ready brands. Here's the problem my team has encountered. Founders waste months building products nobody wants and hundreds of thousands of dollars of their money or someone else's. Then they go from marketing agency to marketing agency expecting a miracle. They blame the previous marketing agency for not being successful. My recommendation, build a minimum viable product or MVP. Today with AI, it's even easier to do than 2 years ago. Introducing the AI First Launch Workflow 1. Idea generation. Use ChatGPT and market data tools to identify problems worth solving. I use the Marketing Research and Competitive Analysis GPT weekly. 2. Visuals are massive, so generate AI mockups. Tools like Midjourney or Figma to AI create visuals for early feedback. 3. Pre-sell. Test your concept with email or landing pages before inventory. 4. Iterate fast. Gather data. Adjust offer. Refine messaging. 5. Systemize scale. Once validated, build repeatable fulfillment and marketing systems. Using this process, one of our clients pre-sold $40,000 in products before they even built the first prototype because the demand was proven with the audience in advance. Founders don't need to guess anymore. They can validate. They launch with proof, not hope, and scale from data, not dreams. Comment launch, and I'll send you my AI first product launch blueprint, the exact workflow to test, validate, and scale your next idea using AI.